Howdy folks, this is my 2022 YouTube solar install video, and I got my stepdaughter here and I got my little puppy, and I'm going to make a nice video really quick of the solar system on the trailer. So I'll be right back and I'm going to show you the video of the trailer here. So the inside, we have my L desk that I made. I put a 100 amp hour Battleborn battery in here, strapped it to the floor, and we got some Renogy charge controllers, we got some Jupiter inverters, some bus bars with fuses on it, on and off switches, Bluetooth here, we got the battery monitor here, and man, I tell you what, that is a nice comfy little 3D printing workstation. Now, I'm going to take you back to the roof. We have the 400 watt solar system up here. I'll show you that really quick. Let's climb this. I'm filming you from a brand new GoPro Hero 11, by the way. I just figured I'd say that while I'm climbing up this ladder. But here's the 400 watts of rich solar polycrystalline, I can't say it, solar panels. And they are piped into this junction box and fed down through the roof and connected to the solar system. We plan to add about 3 more panels up here somewhere, probably 1 here and 2 up there for combined 700 watts. And I think we're gonna increase our solar charge controller or something more along the Victron lines like I used to have on my older system. But yeah, we have ourselves here our 2022 trailer solar system install, and let's get a little picture of where we are and why we put such things in our trailers. We are out in the woods in the middle of nowhere, boondocking off grid on Oregon logging roads, and isn't it beautiful? And look at that sun, and we are taking in some juice right now on those panels and that 2022 solar system install. So thanks for watching, guys, and I appreciate it, and I'll see you all later. Peace out. Been a while, haven't seen you, had a broken camera. Figured I'd get this out there for you all. Love ya. Later.